is your vision for what the organization is working to achieve?
Well, the organization is looking to create a resilient region where wildlife thrives, where everyone has natural beauty to enjoy, and where communities live in balance with nature. That's actually our vision for 2062, which is our 100th anniversary. And we really seek to create, to see communities become climate resilient, to see native wildlife and habitats being restored, to seeing everybody having access to nature, and having farms and ranches really strengthen communities.